Hey, welcome back. Yesterday we made some really good beef stock. Refrigerated overnight, got it really chilled. I skimmed all the fat that rose to the top on it. Now we're gonna make it consomme. Okay, the clarification process on the consomme is as such. I've got 10 egg whites. I've got 1 Roma tomato that's diced up. I have fine dice of 1 onion, 1 carrot, and 1 celery stalk. And then I have a pound of ground beef. Now you want to use lean ground beef, and so that's what we have. The whole process, I'm going to whisk the egg whites and get those. I'm going to add everything in to the bowl with the egg whites. I've got the stock on the stove. We're going to put that in the stock. We're going to stir it constantly as we bring it to a boil. But once it starts to boil, you leave it alone. You don't touch it. The clarification items, they're going to rise to the top and they're going to form what's called a raft. And they're going to be the mechanism that's going to collect all the impurities to clarify and make it a consomme. You move it up here. Okay, our clarification mixture, I've combined everything. And the important thing is you want to make sure it is really chilled as well as your stock is still chilled when you add them together. Now I've got it on a stove top and I've got it on high. And I'm going to stir this mixture until it comes up to a boil. And the reason, because it's cold and we're bringing it up to the heat and we're stirring it to make sure everything gets mixed really well, but it's also to make sure we don't have any burning on the bottom. Some of the items just burning on the bottom, because the last thing we want is that taste and flavor in our consomme. It's ready to turn down. I'm going to turn it down and I'm going to make a little hole in the raft. The raft is formed at the top. And the reason to do that is to let the steam escape and have a place. It also gives you an idea and a chance to be able to monitor it and to keep an eye on it and see that it's staying at a simmer and it's no longer boiling. Now we're looking to put it on and leave it and let it rest for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Okay. The consomme was simmering for about 1.5 hours, hour and 45 minutes, and I noticed the raft starting to sink, and that's when you can tell it's the time to pull it out and strain it. So we're going to put it through a cheesecloth. It's a double-layered cheesecloth that I have I wet first. So we're going to go through the center and trying to not disrupt the raft. And just gently put it through the cheesecloth.